Hi everyone, this is my second video, and if you didn't watch my first video yet, you can watch it later by subscribing my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make a dried fish curry in an easy way. These are the ingredients. Let dried fish pieces to soak in water for a few minutes to remove salt. If you don't want to remove salt, then don't soak. Cut onion, tomato, capsicum, curry leaves and green chilies into pieces like this. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and mix it well. Then drain water from dried fish pieces and put them to the mixture. Now mix well. Heat the cooking pot and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat. Now mix well. Add some water. Mix well for 2 minutes. Let cook for 3 minutes over the medium heat. cooking, and if you follow my recipe, you can prepare this curry in 10 minutes. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe my channel. See you on next video.